Hey friends, once again I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Learn with Fun. In today's video, we will be learning the difference between even numbers and odd numbers. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. Now first, even numbers. That what are even numbers? So even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2 without remainder. Okay, the numbers which are divisible by 2, that can be divided by 2 without leaving any remainder, that is even number. Okay, next, odd numbers. Now the odd numbers are the numbers not divisible by 2. The numbers which can't be divided by 2, okay, are called odd numbers. Even numbers, the numbers divisible by 2 without leaving any remainder. Odd numbers, numbers not divisible by 2, which are not divided by 2. Okay, so now let's find out that which numbers are even numbers and which numbers are odd number. Now you all can see I have these two sheets with me, okay, this first sheet and this second. Now here I have drawn some ice creams, okay, and I have written numbers 1 till 10. So with help of these sheets, we will find whether the numbers are even number or odd numbers. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. Now you can see here we have one ice cream. Okay, we have one ice cream with us. So can we divide 1 into 2, or we can make a group? No. So it means that 1 is odd number. 1 is odd number because we can't divide it into 2, or we can't make pair of it. Next we have 2. We have 2 ice creams over here. Can we make a pair of these 2 ice creams? Children, I know you must be knowing the meaning of pair. Pair means 2 things together. So can we make a pair? Yes, we can make a pair of this. So it means we can make a pair. It is easily divisible by 2. So this is even number. 2 is a even number. Next we have 3. Now we'll try to make pair 1, 2. Yes, one pair is made. But can we make a pair over here? No, we can't make a pair because one ice cream is left over here. And you know odd numbers. Which are the odd numbers? The numbers which are not divisible by 2, right? So this is not divisible by 2 because we can make one pair of 2 over here, but we can't make the other pair because one ice cream is left over here. So this is odd number. Next, 4. Now we have 4 ice creams over here. We'll try to make pairs. Yes, one pair. And the second pair. And is any ice cream left over here, children? No, no ice cream is left. And you all remember, what are even numbers? Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2 without any remainder. So is there any remainder over here? No, there is no remainder. We have made 2 pairs. Okay, and no ice cream is left after that also. So this is even number. 4 is even number. Okay, next we have 5. Now we have 5 ice creams over here. We'll try to make pairs. 1, 2, yes. One pair is this. Next, yes, these 2 will also make a pair over here. And this is left. There is no other ice cream with which we can pair it, right? So it means that 5 is not an even number. This is a odd number. This is an odd number because we have made 2 pairs, but still one ice cream is left over here alone. So this is odd number. Okay, so 1 is odd number because again we are not able to make pair of it. Second, even number. Number 2 is even because we can easily make pair and we don't have any remainder over here. 3 is again odd number because we have made a pair but still one ice cream is left alone, right? Next 4. 4 is an even number because we have made 2 pairs of it. Still we don't have any ice cream left over here. 5. We made 2 pairs but 1 ice cream is left alone. So this is odd number. Now we'll move to another sheet. Now here we have 6 ice creams. Again we'll try to make pair. These 2 ice creams, these 2 ice creams, and these 2 ice creams. Yes children, so we have made pairs, right? And no ice cream is left over here. So it means that this is 6 is an even number, right? Next we have 7. Now again we'll try to make pair. Yes, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs. 3 pairs we have made, but still after making 3 pairs, 1 ice cream is left alone, right? So it means that this is not an even number. This is an odd number, right? Next we have 8. Again we'll try the same thing with 8. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, right? So 4 pairs we have made of ice creams and there is no remainder. It means there is no other ice cream left. So this is even number. Next we have 9. Again we'll try same thing with 9. 1 pair, second pair, third, fourth. Oops, 1 ice cream is left alone. There is no other ice cream to make pair, right? So it means that 9 is an odd number. The last one, 10. Okay, again we'll try. These both make 1 pair. These both make 1 pair. Here also, here also, and here also, right? So not any ice cream is left alone, right? All the ice creams are made pair with each other and there is no remainder, means no ice cream left. It means that 10 is an even number. Okay, and one more thing children, not 10, every number ending with 0 will be an even number. Okay, every number ending with 0 will be an even. Now children, for your revision of even and odd numbers, I have prepared a sheet over here for you all so that it get more clearly to you that which are even numbers and odd numbers. So now you all can see I have written some numbers over here in these clouds, right? And I have made 2 sections over here. One is even numbers and one is odd numbers. Now what you have to do is, you have to find out that which number is even number. You have to line up here the even numbers and you have to line up here the odd numbers. Okay, you have to see the numbers and you have to choose in which part it will go, even numbers or odd numbers, right? So let's start. Now our first number, you all can see the first number is 8, right? So 8 is an even number or odd number children? Yes, it is even number. So we'll write 8 over here. It is even number, right? Now next we have 1 to 12. Now children, when you have 2 digit, we'll see the second number. Okay, we'll see the last number, or you can say second number. This is, which number is it? 2. So 2 is a even number or odd number? Yes, 2 is a even number. So we'll write over here 1 to 12, right? Now next we have 25. Again we'll see the second number or last number, that which number is this. So 2, 5, 25, right? So 5, the last number is 5. So 5 is a even number or odd number? Yes, this is odd number. So we'll write it here 2, 5, 25. Okay. Next 6, 4, 64. Again we'll see the last number. Last number is 4. And 4 is even or odd number? 4 is even number. So we'll write here it in even number section. Next we have 4, 1, 41. Again we'll see the last number. Last number is this. This is 1. So 4 1 41. And 1 is the last number. So 1 is even number or odd number? It is odd number, right? So we will write 4 1 41 in this odd numbers section because it is odd number. Next we have 4 7 47. Now again we'll go to the last number. Last number is 7. So is 7 an odd number or even number? Yes. 47 is an odd number, right? So we'll write it over here. You have to just check the second number. In this situation, you will check the second number, that whether it is even or odd, or if the number is even, you will write it in even section. If it is odd, you will write it in odd section. Okay. Now, next number is 36. Again, we'll check out with the last number 6. So 6 is an even number or odd number? It is even number. So we'll write it here. Okay. Next we have 9. Now this is a single number, right? There are no 2 digits. There is only 1 digit. So 9 itself is even or odd? It is odd number. So 9 is an odd number. Next we have 50. The number is, and the second number is 0. So the number ending with 0 is even number or odd number? It is even number. So we'll write 50 over here in this even number section. Next we have 33. Now the second number is 3. So 3 is even number or odd number? It is odd number. So we'll write 33 here. So we have written 33 over here. Okay. So these are the even numbers and these are the odd numbers, right? We have got these numbers are even and these numbers are odd. If you all understood the difference between even and odd numbers and how to find whether the number is even or odd, then please like my video and share and comment too. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel Learn with Fun. Thank you all.